So, what is it? It's only FPV Friday and Merry Christmas! So, hopefully by the time you watch this video, guys, the DJI Avata 360 is out. That's what I've heard on the pipeline. You said about the 18th, bit close to Christmas, I must agree. But as always with me, you know, I always say, I won't be getting it. I can safely say, I won't be getting it. I'm not going to say anything about, I'm going to eat my hat, because last time I said that, I had to eat my hat, didn't I? But I can safely say on this, I'm not going to get it. Mainly because I'm not a great lover of 360 anyway. And when I saw the anti-gravity AI drone the other week, that just finalised it for me. I bought the GoPro 360 years ago, gimmicky. I had a few goes on it, got fed up with the editing, and it's just gathering dust. I bought a Insta 360 because they're supposed to be even better. Got bored with that, couldn't get on with the editing, so I sold it. And then I think about a couple of years back when I had the Air 3, you could get a 360 attachment. Bit expensive, I thought at the time, but I still, no, 360, I like it. And then this year, obviously, the first thing was the anti-gravity drone that came out. I think they promoted it in July, and they had that long sort of wait, and that's already out. Now, I've seen some footage, and I'm going to put up a channel here now, because out of all the videos that I've seen so far on it, they all say, oh, it's lovely, it's the best. This channel, I thought he'd give a really good, honest review. It's quite a long one, but he tells you the pros and the cons of it. And when I saw the download for the footage, God, they were massive files. And I would have thought, oh, the Avata 360s, it could be no different. So no, I won't be getting it, guys. I was looking forward to it, but now I think, no, I'm not getting it. I'll just wait till next year, 2026. We'll see what else they're bringing out. Hopefully they will bring out another FPV drone. We've got, obviously at the moment, we've got the Neo 2, so yeah. Merry Christmas. I'm going to put up some footage at the end there, but I just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, but also I want to thank everybody that's subscribed to my channel. That's fantastic. If you haven't yet, subscribe to it, come on. But if you haven't, hope you enjoy the videos, that's the main thing. Anyway, I'll do it again. Merry Christmas!